Yes, press some button.
I mean, and we're recording because the recording button is beeping.
Alright guys, welcome to our video. I know we ain't posted one in a minute, but this one's going to be a little bit different. Today this is planting mammoth, gray stripe, sunflowers. We have a big, as you can see, we got this at our little supermarket. That's our seeds. And these are a little different than the smaller sunflower seeds up north. I just watched a YouTube tutorial on. These are a little bit different. You don't put them an inch or two deep. You put them only a half inch deep, and you separate them more too. So I'm gonna clean up my trenches good. They need a lot of sunlight. These need a zoom in where I'm planting, or getting close. You don't have to get too close. There's one half inch deep, and they say do it about a foot apart. So there's another one. And one more. We'll do 3 right here. We'll extend it a little further. We're gonna do a little experiment and see.
That's so cute. I can't believe we are starting off, guys. I cannot believe we're starting off.
That's 4.
Oh, guys, I'm trying to. I don't know if y'all see it good or not.
Push a little deep in there.
Okay. Do whatever,
we have 4. I'm gonna put these back in here. And we're gonna go. All right, you can pause. All right, guys. Now we're gonna easily, just since I made a trench with my knife, we're just gonna clear the leaves. It's kind of buried over. I guess it goes kind of shallow. And then that thing will just take sprout, and we'll come back and water these in a minute. All right. This is what the technique I'm gonna use, hopefully, guys, because we're gonna obviously, if you guys subscribe, we're gonna update video when they start sprouting and as they grow. But what we're doing here, I'm gonna just in case the other ones don't grow, I'm doing this that's a design, planting them in a design, because we play Sims, so I know what I'm doing. It's Stardew, so I know what I'm doing, guys. All right.
Alright, you all, now we're at this spot. What my talented husband doing.
Planting these doggone sunflowers. That's what we doing. That is what we're doing. This is supposed to be mammoths, it's supposed to be big boys, so we're gonna find out just how big boy they are.
We're gonna get some more things to plant, you all. We're gonna have all kind of things in the yard, aren't we, baby? Down from tomatoes to watermelons to all kinds of things.
And the dog shit right here too, so it's good fertilizer for it.
That's for sure. And we'll have all kind of tutorials and whatnot, you all.
Right here.
Yeah. We're gonna be recording more all the time. I'll do the type of content to record over or whatnot. Right, baby? Because we want, with our YouTube channel, we want to have a variety of things, different type of things to, record over.
Oh yeah. There you go, guys. That's the last of the seed pack. So, as you see, we planted all around the yard at various locations.